Are you looking to streamline your automation processes or build the next big AI workflow? Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're putting two powerful platforms under the spotlight, N8N and Flowise. Whether you're managing business systems or building AI driven tools, choosing the right automation platform can make all the difference. Let's break down what each platform excels at, what sets them apart, and which one fits your workflow goals best. First up is N8N, which is an open source powerhouse for automation enthusiasts. It's like the Swiss Army knife of workflow builders. With support for over 400 integrations, N8N allows you to link tools, APIs, databases, schedulers, webhooks, and more, all through a visual interface. And for those who want deeper logic, it even lets you write custom JavaScript or Python directly into Notes. Whether you're syncing data between platforms, triggering events from emails, or managing multi step processes, N8N can handle it. It's also self hostable, giving teams full control over where and how workflows run, especially important for privacy conscious organizations. That said, it does come with a steeper learning curve. Non technical users might find it a bit overwhelming at first, but for teams needing enterprise grade workflows and technical flexibility, N8N is a serious contender. Now let's shift to Flowise, a sleek open source platform purpose built for an AI and large language model workflows. If you're building chatbots, AI assistants, or RAG pipelines, Flowise is tailored for that. It offers a clean drag and drop interface that makes designing AI powered logic flows intuitive, even for beginners. While it doesn't offer the vast app connectivity that N8N does, it shines when working with LLMs like GPT or Claude, making it ideal for prompt training, memory management, and agent based talks. It's designed with simplicity in mind, great for fast experimentations and prototyping, but it lacks deeper custom scripting features or support for more traditional automation tasks like scraping and backend data ops. Now, let's break it down. N8N is a generalist, ideal for orchestrating complex system across apps and services. From syncing spreadsheets to running background jobs, it can do it all. Flowise, on the other hand, is a specialist, perfect for those focused on creating intelligent AI workflows without needing to code everything manually. N8N supports code level logic, extensive integrations, and scheduling, while Flowise offers streamlined tools for conversational AI, making it faster to deploy things like document question and answers bots or multi turn chat agents. In many setups, teams use both platforms in tandem. For example, Flowise handles the AI pipeline, while N8N manages surrounding tasks like sending follow up emails, logging conversations to a database, or triggering alerts. Flowise is fantastic for creative AI logic, but when it comes to external service coordination or long term process automation, N8N steps in with more firepower. So, which one should you choose? Go with N8N if your goal is broad automation, connecting a variety of services and embedding complex logic with full code control. Choose Flowise if you're focused on LLM development, building smart agents, or crafting conversation flows with ease. And if you're building a full stack AI product, combine them Flowise for your intelligent layer and N8N for everything else. So, whichever tool you go with, you'll be unlocking next level productivity through automation and AI. If you find this comparison helpful, hit the thumbs up to give the video a super thanks and subscribe for more guides, deep dives, and tool breakdowns. And I'll see you in the next video.